Hi, welcome back to Teco's YouTube channel, where today we'll be unboxing the Teco Multifunctional Cooker. This product is coming soon to a TNT near you. The product packaging is very simple and minimalistic, but the product itself is a very bright and eye-catching red. The heating pad comes with a thermostat, an anti-scald handle, an outlet, indication light, and a switch, making it very simple to use. This product does need to be plugged into an outlet for it to work, and you can see the wire on top of the heating pad in the video. The first of many plates we'll be looking at in this video is the dessert plate. It has two cute heart-shaped indents and can be used to make soufflés and pancakes as well as eggs. The next plate we'll be looking at in this video is the takoyaki plate. It comes with 24 little ping-pong-sized indents and can be used to make takoyaki. However, you can also use it to make meatballs as well. Next up is the grill rack. This can be used as a substitute for a frying pan, and it's often used to cook steak and fish. The last tray we'll be looking at in this video is the deep pot. This is often used for boiling water and cooking anything that requires water. To use it, you put the pot on the base and preheat for 4 to 5 minutes. You put your ingredients in when the water is completely boiled. This product also comes with a steam rack that fits perfectly into the deep pot. You can use it to cook anything from vegetables to buns. This is the lid for the pot. It is made of ceramic and includes a handle for easy removal and a steam hole to let hot air out as you cook. Here are some ideas of what you can do with the Teco Multifunctional Cooker. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to keep up with our latest products. You can also check out our website, which is linked below.